Okay. So we have just discussed the comprehends the whole two paragraph at the page of 38, and we just try to understand it properly. Read the paragraph carefully so that there should be no mistake at all, and understand it. What does the author say? So in the exam, they would give one paragraph and 3 questions can be asked. You have to write the answer by reading that paragraph. So here first questions we may start from page number 38, the adjustment. It was mistake not to take Nana, our grandfather, to the funeral of our grandmothers, our Nani. So what was the funeral of that? It was the funeral of the author's grandmothers. And what was the mistake of author? So the mistake was that they never take Nana. They had not taken grandfather in grandmother's funeral. So first of the question we may start. What was the mistake of author? લેખકની ભૂલ કઈ હતી? તો લેખકની ભૂલ એ હતી કે ગ્રાન્ડમધર દાદીમા નાનીમાની જે અંતિમ ક્રિયા હતી એમાં નાનાને સાથે ન લઈ ગયા. તો વી મે સ્ટાર્ટ અવર આન્સર ફ્રોમ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. વોટ વોઝ ધ મિસ્ટેક ઓફ author? Authorની ભૂલ શું હતી? તો વી મે સ્ટાર્ટ ટુ રાઇટ બાય રીડિંગ ધ 2 paragraph, 2 sentence from this extract. You look at whose funeral was that? Whose funeral was that? કોની અંતિમ ક્રિયા હતી? તો we may start from the question. The funeral, that funeral was the author's grandmother. Third question. What did Nana whisper? What did Nana whisper What did Nana whisper? નાનાએ શું ગળગળાટ કર્યો? દાદાએ શું ગળગળાટ કર્યો જ્યારે દાદીમાને લઈ જવામાં આવતા હતા ત્યારે? તો if you read it properly you may get the answer. Now question number 4. With heavy hearts, we hoisted Nani's bier over our shoulders. I turned to look just once and found Nana stepping away from the balcony into the room. What happened when they hoisted Nani's bier? નાનીની બાયર લીધી ત્યારે શું થયું? He had lived with Nani for over half a century. He means Nana lived with Nani. નાની સાથે જીવતા હતા, રહ્યા હતા. કેટલું? For half a century. Her radiant face every day of those years. Here we come to know that the time period of Nana and Nani's family's relation. So we may say that how much time did they pass? How much time did they pass? What was the time of their marriage? How much time did they pass of their marriage? Six. So by reading this all extract sentence, you have to give the answer. He had lived with nannies for over half a century. Keep in mind that half a century, 50 વર્ષ એમને લગ્નમાં ગુજાર્યા હતા. He must have been what, about 85, and yet he would find something to grumble at everything Nani did. He was at the age of 85. Nani was younger than, we may say that, Nana. But he said that what was the age of Nana? નાનાની ઉંમર કેટલી હતી? તો પ્રશ્નનો જવાબ પ્રશ્નમાંથી શરૂ કરવાનો છે. What was the age of Nana? It was the number of 5th and 6th. 7th is here. 7th. He must have been what, about 8 years, and yet he would find something to grumble at everything Nani did. Whatever Nani do, he just tried to make a mistake and find out the mistake and quarrel with her. That is the habit. So we may say that what was the habit? What was the habit of Nana? નાનાની હેબિટ શું હતી? તો we come to know that here the habit of Nana was to find out fault from Nani at every moment. Okay. He would keep quibbling with her. Just try to talk and talk. Quibbling with her as if they were two people who just married in the first flash of love and were still discovering each other. At times, a pretty quarrel would push them into long silence. They would stop talking to each other. Why did they stop to talk? Because of their pretty quarrel. Why did they remain? Why did they remain silent? Why did they remain silent? So they remained silent because of their pretty quarrel. Long silent, they would stop talking to each other for days together. When we would try to intervene, અમે જ્યારે દખલગીરી કરીએ ત્યારે old Nana would quip. It happens, son, it happens. It takes time to adjust each other. So he said that it's common for us. We just try to adjust ourselves. So in which the Nana, what was Nana believe? So what did Nana believe about life? What did Nana believe about life? That's, we may say that's spirituality, philosophy. Life's philosophy. What did Nana believe about life philosophy? तो Nana life philosophy से શું માનતા હતા? तो we may say that everything is gone, everything is happened, we should not bother about it, we just go and compromise. We should just go on, we may say that adjustment. So here the central idea of this lesson is adjustment. We have to keep adjustment in our minds. We should not do be very well. Now page number 38, you may see the second extract. It was fun listening to him talk. Mother would always reprimanded us. You people provoke him and my mother has to bear the brunt. Her mother means our Nani. And Nani would whoosh out few words together from her toothless mouth. Be grateful that I gave you 2 grandsons. Nani's nature was very fantastic. By in our own word, we may say that Guljar films, if you see the Guljar films, you may find out how to bring out the inner power of heart's feelings of woman on the stage. He knew very well, and that is why he was given more than 20 awards. Guljar એ સ્ત્રીના હૃદયની વાતને સ્ટેજ પર કેમની રજૂ કરવી, કેમની ખેંચી લાવી, આ બધી જ કળા ગુલજારમાં હતી. અને એને જ કારણે ગુલજારને પદ્મથી માંડીને છેક દાદા ફાળકે એવોર્ડ સુધી પણ એમને મળ્યો છે. 20 awards was given to him. તો હિયર નાનીની આંતરિક જે શક્તિ છે, આંતરિક જે ભાવના છે, લાગણી છે, સ્ત્રીની જેને કહેવાય પરાકાષ્ઠા છે પ્રેમની, પ્રેમ પાછળ ઘસાઈ જવાની એક સરસ આબેહૂબ વ્યક્ત કરી છે. બી ગ્રેટફુલ ડેટ આઈ ગેવ યુ 2 grandsons. The woman has power to give something nature to others. Not man is that. Man and women are equal. But by this we just try to emphasize upon the woman. What is the power of woman? What is the feelings of woman? If you understand the feelings of inner state of mind, હૃદયના ક્યાં ખૂણે પડેલી વસ્તુને જો પુરુષ સ્ત્રીની કોમળ લાગણીને સમજી શકે તો મને લાગે છે there is no meter of adjustment કરવાની કોઈ જરૂર પડશે નહીં. Now for the love of God, just shut up. My brother and I were at very young. હું ને મારો નાનો ભાઈ બહુ નાના હતા ત્યારે impressionable age when our father married a second time. Author said that my father made second marriage when we were so younger means so infant. One of the boy is so infant. He would often arrogantly parades into the house with his new wife. Mother was helpless. My father had got the second marriage and we are helpless against that. But Nani fought with her and scooped the 2 of us into the arms and brought us into our house. મારી નાની આવીને અમારા ઘરે ત્યારે અમને બંનેને બાથમાં લઈ લીધા અને એટલી હૂંફ આપીને કીધું, શું કીધું, મારે ઘરે લઈ આવ્યા અને જોરથી બૂમ પાડીને કીધું કે યુ વોન્ટ ટુ રોટ હિયર. મારી મમ્મીને કીધું તારે અહીંયા સડવું તો સડ, રોટ હિયર, ડુ સો, બટ આઈ એમ નોટ લીટિંગ માય ગ્રાન્ડચિલ્ડ્રન. મારા ગ્રાન્ડ બાળકોને, મારા ભણેજાઓને હું અહીંયા આગળ સ્ટેપ મધર જોડે મારવા દઈશ નહીં, હું એમને દુઃખી થવા દઈશ નહીં, હું મારા ઘરે લઈ જાઉં છું. હિયર વી કમ્સ ટુ નો ધ ટેન્ડન્સી ઓફ વુમન્સ હાર્ટ. દાદીમાનું હૃદય કેટલું કોમળ હતું એ આ શબ્દો પરથી ખબર પડે છે. હિયર ટુ ડુ stay here to get thrashed by their stepmother. If anyone got her way with Nana, it was Nani. નાનાને જો કંઈ કોઈ બોલવાનું હોય ત્યારે તો કોણ બોલે એને માટે? નાની જ બોલે. She would tell it to his face. અને ક્યારે નાની બોલતી નહીં પણ આમ ચહેરો બતાવે, આંખોની ભાષા બતાવે. નાના સમજી જતા હતા. You will regret it the day I die. You don't speak with her mother of those 2 children. They are also not going to talk to you. You will sit all by yourself in the balcony and bath in the sun and your own loneliness. Here we come to know that Nani was very innocent, very innocent. He said that, Nana, if you not speak with my daughter openly, freely, I assure you that you will be suffering from loneliness at one's time. So that is the જેને કહેવાય આક્રોશ છે. કોમળ ભાવનાની સાથે સ્ત્રીનો આક્રોશ પણ એ રજૂ થાય છે. નાના પોતાની દીકરી સાથે બોલતા નથી તો નાની પણ એમ કહે છે કે મારા બાળકો વગર તું એક દિવસ લોનલીનેસ, એકલતાથી તું પણ પીડાઈશ. આ એક એની ઊંડી ભાવના છે. તો આ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ ફરી વાંચજો અને ફરી પ્રશ્ન જે લખાવું છું એના જવાબ તમારે લખવાના છે. જે પ્રશ્ન લખાયેલા છે એ બધાના જવાબ લખી અને મોકલાવાના છે. તો બી કેરફુલ એન્ડ રેડ કેરફુલ, બરાબર વાંચો ધ્યાનથી, બરાબર શું કહેવા માગે છે લેખક પ્રશ્નનો એનો અર્થ સમજજો, અને જેમ બને એમ પ્રશ્નમાંથી જવાબ શરૂ કરીને જવાબ લખજો. ઓકે, થેન્ક્સ લોટ.